This video is going to cover Objective 2.3 practice tasks. The first step says, near the beginning of the document, insert a page break before the process heading. So you're going to click right before process, and you can either go to the Layout tab and go to Breaks and hit Page Break, or you can hit Control Enter and it'll automatically add a page break. Then it says, select the questions for team leaders and questions for department reps headings and the lists that follow them. Then format the selection in 2 columns of equal width. So we're going to scroll to team leaders, questions for team leaders and department reps. Once you have all that information selected, on the Layout tab you're going to go to Columns, and we are going to choose 2 columns, and then I'm also going to go back into Columns and hit More Columns, and here we're going to change the set spacing to 0.3, and we're going to place a vertical line between the columns. So I'm going to hit the drop down arrow there twice, and then the width automatically adjusts, and then we're going to add a line between by checking the box here right above the preview. Go ahead and hit OK. It says if necessary you can insert a column break before questions of department, but we don't need to. It's already over on the right hand side. And then we are going to, in the pre-plan project section, select the heading, the paragraph, and the list of items. Then format each of the selected paragraphs to stay on the same page as the paragraph that it follows, and to keep all the lines of each paragraph together. You're going to do this by opening up the paragraph dialog box. You're going to click the little bitty box in the paragraph group on the Layout tab, and you're going to go to the Line and Page Breaks tab, and you're going to make sure that the Keep with Next is checked, as well as Keep Lines Together, and then that's how you're going to achieve that specific task. Go ahead and hit OK. Then it says near the end of the document, locate the Carry Out Project section and create a separate document section that contains only the content of the Carry Out Project section on its own page. For only this section, set the orientation to landscape and all 4 margins to 2 inches. So we're going to select this information here, Carry Out Project section. Open up the Page Setup dialog box, and then the margins we're going to set to 2 inches. So we're going to go top to 2, bottom to 2, left and right are both at 2, and then landscape. And then we're going to make sure it's applied to selected text. And then we're going to hit OK. And then that automatically inserted a section break before and a section break after in order for this information to be on its own page. It says to go ahead and preview the document on the print page of the Backstage view to verify the changes. So you can go to File and hit Print, and you can see that the document has the changes that you incorporated earlier.